In this video, I answer the question, who benefits from forgiving anyway? The answer might surprise you. Hi, I'm Michael Stephen Cook. Welcome to Forgive for a Change, where you can get clear on how to safely forgive. The popular answer to this question is you, the offended. While that's true, that may not always be the first practical answer. To Christians who want to provide solutions to this world's pain, the offended one is not the first one that must be considered. In the context of forgiveness, life is about sharing God's mercy, compassion, love, community, and accountability with each other. As you offend, it's against God. It generates a shockwave to all those around you and sends injury to everyone in your community. On the other hand, as you forgive, you absorb the shock, which causes you to cry out to God and transfer it to Him. You're transformed from a shock repeater to a shock absorber and a peace sender. It can stop there. However, when you don't forgive, you become a shock repeater, now part of the problem, amplifying the issue and encouraging bitterness, hate, and revenge spreading throughout society, affecting communities and connecting with other communities. It infests as it goes throughout our cities, counties, states, nations, and the whole world. This is why it's about God and the entire community, not just about you. Forgiveness is primarily to restrain evil in us and in all those around us, to maintain intimacy with God and to preserve the unity and function of society. When you deal with offenses as God prescribes in His Word, it restores agreement between you and God first, and then you and others. Are you part of the problem as a shock repeater, resending shock waves of hurt and sin to infect your loved ones and others? Or are you part of the solution as a shock absorber, which absorbs the shock and sends peace in its place? When you're part of the solution, you overcome evil with good and, in effect, bless those who curse you. I've learned that the best justice is to have peace through forgiveness. I teach that you can't get over being hurt by staying hurt. You can stay safe when you let go of fear, and you can become part of the solution to the pain in this world. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, at Forgive for a Change, we help you get clear enough to safely forgive.